So na headmaster da Begoro Presbyterian Senior High School Gerard Mantiao then penny so na sem nyina se edru fiada pa dia school no ba wan miewani a wo ho school ni ba kokora e wo school no mo da fiada ne teacher wo so do ho mu nchemu aduoso a edru fiada bia no ho school for no ba mo kodwom ekokoye adwuma akodi dwa no ne ade ha na adwene ye papa sa brank wo so wo musia de no wo mu ankasa afato wo ho sese fiada school no dodo nyina wo ha mu nchemu aduoso wo no mu school woni Adom Kasee edin komoyi
Gerard Mantiao echemu a enei adesuafo epese efiada edwakese a ekoso e wo Begoro no wode wo ho agim ne senti edru fiada wo mpese wo besuku na yenso emmuama adesua ne adekye enkoso wode to awofo anim se oma wo ma enwomasua enwuhia wo mo pa se beyi a edru fiada wo mebeko suku dem chense wo beko edwaso akoto niema wode sansem wetu dwabra literacy quiz competition ekoso e wo Begoro.
Challenges we face regarding academics, especially on Fridays, the day students, majority of them wouldn't come to school at all because it's a market day in Begoro. And there are quite a number of them. We don't have a dining hall, we don't have an assembly hall where we are going to have this program. When we get there, you see the nature of the place. The place serves as a chapel, the place serves as a dining hall, as an assembly hall, entertainment hall, and all of you. So it is that bad. The kitchen is west. There is no kitchen in the school. So there is a makeshift something that we use. We call a kitchen.
Enwechi en opening power Danik Ochre Literacy Foundation ano editu just say Trimopa etaisa ekoyi echi ene se beboa ebi mofra dwiri mu ama wo monteteye e wo brofo esua ho.
The aim of this project is to encourage the children, the youth, the students to, cultivate the habit of reading, because I know that with reading, it broadens your knowledge. Reading keeps you abreast with time, what has happened, what is happening, and what is about to happen. Because if you read a book, someone's whole life history, what has happened to someone, how he managed to get through the difficulties that he faced, can be captured in a single book. And if you are able to read this book, and you face such challenges in the future, you reflect, when Mr. A got into this situation from this book I read, this is how he managed. So why don't I do this? So it gives you an experience of life.